In this video, we are going to learn how to design a website. So you are going to learn how to design websites without using code. These are the course outline, what we are going to learn in this video. You learn the basics of web designing, how to create professional email accounts, how to open your email, how to create autoresponder, how to install WordPress, how to install theme and plugins, how to design a company website, how to design a blog, landing page, and e-commerce website. So I'll be explaining what we mean by a website. A website is a collection of web pages that are identified by a common domain name and published on a web server or hosting. www means World Wide Web. It is always at the beginning of your domain name, e.g. www.asmadigital.com, something like that. A website is a collection of files, web pages that are stored on the web server or hosting. You can call the web server, you can call it either hosting or web server. And to have your own website, we need to buy domain name and hosting. Domain name is different from hosting. Domain name is like your address of the website, while hosting is where all your files, all the data, everything you have on your website, where it will be stored, like memory, where it will be stored. That is what hosting is. You can decide to buy both hosting and domain name separately, and you can also decide to buy them together from the same hosting company. And there are different domain name extensions, .com, .org, and so on. The common one is .com. So to buy domain name, to register your domain name, let's visit namecheap.com. It's an international hosting. We have Nigerian hosting company also, but I'll be using namecheap.com for this training. I'll also explain how you can use Nigerian hosting in case you want to use Nigerian hosting. Namecheap.com. So to buy your domain name, you have to check if the domain name is still available, if it has been used, registered by someone else or not. So I'll be using my business name, esmart.com. So search. If it has been used, you will see registered, the year they register it, or at times it will show taken, it will show registered. It depends on the hosting company you are searching from. These are other extensions. This is .org, and it is almost $2,000, $1,988 per year. That is much. I cannot buy it. If you want to buy domain name, you see it shows that this domain name has been registered, but it's showing 2028. I don't know how come. We are still in 2023, so it shows registered in 2028. If I click on make offer, at times it's to go, at times it's not go. At times they might show me $5,000. So it's not compulsory. I can use something else. I can just add something to it. Digital.com. So if asmartdigital.com is available, it's showing that asmartdigital.com, okay, this one is available. It's $9.58. So I can go for this. If I buy it this year in $9, so the current year, the next year is going to be $13.90 per year. So every year you'll be subscribing for your domain name and your hosting every year. Okay, let's assume that I want to buy this. I'll click on it and then click on checkout. So the first thing you have to do is to add it to cart. It is because I've used this thing to practice. That's why it just showed add to cart. But when I was recording it didn't show, the screen record didn't work. So you will not go to checkout directly. You will click on add to cart. So after adding it to cart, then you will now click on checkout. It was because I've added it to cart. That's why let me use something else to practice so that you get it. Because that part didn't record when I was recording it. So I'll be using another domain name now. I don't want to use. So let me check Techly. Techly.com. It said registered in 2023. Someone has registered this. So let me use Techly Digital. Okay, this one is available, $9.58. So I'll now click on add to cart. You can see that it shows add to cart. So click on add to cart. After adding it to cart, then you now check out. So if you want to buy